Today we're making a delicious turkey stew recipe. It's super easy to make, lots of veggies, potatoes, it's rich, delicious. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share my family's favorite recipes, easy how to cook videos, and healthy school lunch ideas. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together twice a week. To make this stew recipe, I'm using turkey cutlets. They look like chicken breasts, but they're larger in size. So I'm gonna take my board and I'm going to cube them into smaller 1-inch pieces. So now that my turkey is cubed, I have a large Dutch oven. It's about a 5-quart or so size, and I'm gonna heat up some oil. What I'm gonna do first is brown these turkey pieces in the hot oil. I don't necessarily need to cook them all the way through. I just wanna brown them. They're gonna cook in the stew. This is also going to give my pot all those little tidbits that add so much flavor when I saute my veggies. So after they've browned on one side for about 1.5 minutes or so, I'm gonna flip them over. Now, while you could chop up your onions, celery, and carrots while your turkey pieces are browning, you could also buy them pre-chopped or even frozen. Frozen onions, celery, carrots, or a mirepoix are often ready to go, and they save you a lot of times in recipes like this one. By the way, if you like time-saving tips like that one, give this video a thumbs up so I know to share more of them on my channel for you. Now that my turkey pieces are mostly browned on all sides, I'm gonna just remove them from the pot onto a plate or bowl. We're gonna add these back in after we cook our veggies. As you can see, my pot's got a little browning and tidbits. We're gonna leave those in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil back in, and now I'm gonna add my onions into the pot, that chopped celery, and the carrots. Grab your spatula and stir them all around. We're gonna cook these for about 3 minutes or so. Once your onions start to turn golden, that's when we're gonna keep going with the recipe. Now we're gonna add some salt. Also going to add some pepper. Gonna add some dried thyme and dried rosemary. Give everything a good stir. Up next, I'm going to add my golden potatoes. I quarter them into small enough pieces so the stew can be ready in about 20 to 25 minutes. So let's add these in with our veggies. Now I'm gonna add my chicken broth or stock. First, gonna give this a quick stir so I can grab all that goodness from the sides of the pot. More flavor, the better. And now I'm gonna add my turkey pieces back into my pot. And last but not least, we're gonna add some bay leaves in there for more flavor. If you have them, great. If not, I won't be mad. We're gonna let this come to a boil, and when it comes to boil, we're gonna reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it with our lid, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Let's check out this turkey stew. Wow. Now you wanna take a fork and check for doneness in a large piece of potato. It should poke really easily right in and break apart. Now, a lot of people love their stew like this, but I'm one of the other people that I love a little bit of cream, so it makes it nice and creamy and really good. But first, we're gonna add our peas. Now that everything is ready, peas, frozen, canned, whatever you got, let's add them into the pot. Give it everything a good stir. Now, one quick tip in order to prevent your cream or half and half from separating when you add it into your stew is to warm it up in the microwave for about 1 minute. And this warm half and half of cream added into the stew will integrate really easily. Stir it and bring it to a simmer. Now, a lot of people like their stews nice and thick, so if you want to make a slurry, you just take some cold water and some cornstarch, mix it first, and then you add that into your pot. You're gonna simmer this for 5 minutes, and then it's ready to go. It's thickening up, it smells amazing. It's been simmering now, and this is a hearty meal that you're gonna love. Tastes delicious. The ingredient measurements for this incredible turkey stew are right below the video. And if you love content like this, keep watching. See you next time.